Hello everyone. Let's study the classification of accounts. In chapter 2, Meaning and Fundamentals of Double Entry Bookkeeping of class 11. In day-to-day business activity, large number of business transactions takes place and it affects the several accounts. The classification of accounts provides the ease to keep an accounting record. What is account? An account is a summarized record of transactions affecting one person, one kind of property for one class of gain or loss. In other words, account is a ledger record in a summarized form of all the transactions that have taken place with the particular persons or things specified. The classification of accounts. Accounts are mainly classified into two categories, that are personal account and impersonal account. Personal account is further divided into three categories: natural personal account, artificial personal account, and representative personal account. Impersonal account is classified into real account and nominal account. Further, the real account are classified into tangible real and intangible real account. And nominal account is classified into expenses and losses and incomes and gains. So let's study the personal account first in detail. As we know, the personal account is divided into three parts: natural personal account, artificial personal account, and representative personal account. So what is natural personal account? First, the personal account. Personal account represents a person and group of persons with whom the business deals. So the classification of personal accounts, the very first is natural personal account. Natural personal accounts are accounts relating to individuals or human beings. Examples are Rajesh's account, Sumita's account, Sushma's account, Sunita's account, Ashok's account, or Suha's account, and many more. So, natural personal account are the accounts of human beings. The next is artificial personal accounts. Artificial personal account means the account of organizations, associations which are created by law. The examples are Bank of Maharashtra, ABC and Company account, Recreation Club account, Pune Municipal Corporation account, Radhika Sports Club account, and Bank of India account, and many more. So, the accounts of organizations created by law is nothing but artificial personal account. The third type of personal account is representative personal account. This account is related to the outstanding and prepaid items. What is outstanding now? Outstanding expenses is an expense which is due but not had been paid. An expense becomes outstanding when the company has taken the benefit but the related payment has not been made. For example, rent due but not paid. So this is outstanding. And what is prepaid? Prepaid expenses are paid in advance. So all the outstanding and prepaid expenses or items are classified under all the outstanding and prepaid items comes under representative personal account. For example, outstanding rent account, income received in advance account, prepaid wages account, outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses account, and income received in advance account. So that's it about this personal account. Now we'll go for impersonal account in detail. Impersonal account is divided into two parts, that are real account and nominal account. What is real account now? This account represents the assets and properties owned by the business. So, real account is the account related to assets and properties. Real account is further classified into tangible real and intangible real account. What is tangible real account? Tangible real account means the assets or properties which can be seen or touched or felt. For example, machinery account, motor car account, stock of goods account, etc. And intangible real account, as the word itself indicates, intangible real account means the assets which cannot be seen, touched or felt, but they can be measured in terms of money. For example, goodwill. What is goodwill now? Goodwill is what the company pays to buy an acquisition target. In other words, goodwill is the excess of purchase price paid for acquired firm. The next is patent. Intangible real accounts example is patent. What is patent now? Patent is a form of intellectual property that gives its owner the legal right to exclude others for making, using, selling the property for a limited period of time. The copyright. Trademark, you know better. The copyright. Copyright is a type of intellectual property that gives its owner the right to make the copies of creative work. So all these are the account which are intangible. Let's talk about nominal account now. Nominal account is the account that deals with the expenses, losses, incomes and gains are called as nominal account. See the examples. Expenses and losses, stationery account, purchase account, advertisement account. Stationery purchased means expense. Purchase is indirectly the expense as we have to pay when we purchase. And advertisement, expense. So, income and gains now. Interest received is income, discount received income, sales income. So these were the example of incomes and gains. So that's it about classification of accounts. In this way the accounts are classified. Let's see the example of it. Here a question given, classify the accounts into personal, real and nominal account, as these are the main type of accounts, personal, real and nominal. So in the questions many type of accounts are given. In the solution, personal account, real account and nominal accounts columns are prepared. The very first is stationery account. We just have seen stationery account is classified into nominal account. The next is Mahesh account. Mahesh is a person, therefore personal account. Machinery account. Machinery is nothing but property, so real account. Capital account, again it is personal account. Loss by fire, it is loss which deals with nominal account, so loss by fire comes under nominal account. Next is municipal corporation account. It is a body created by law. It is a person created by law, therefore personal account. So Pune municipal corporation account under personal account. Next is building, property, assets. So building is classified into real account. Bank of Maharashtra account, personal account, therefore personal account. It will be classified into personal account, Bank of Maharashtra. Next is copyright. It is intangible asset and assets are classified under real account. Repairs, expense, therefore nominal account. Laptop account, it is the property or the asset, so therefore it is classified into real account. Last is wages. Wages paid is expense or wages received is income, therefore it is classified into nominal account. All in all, we have to take into account that personal account is an account of persons or the persons created by law. Real account deals with all the properties and assets. Nominal account deals with all the expenses, losses, incomes and gains. Here is the another question. You can solve it on your own. Okay, thank you.